Hello everyone. In today's video I will show you how to use tags in Ansible. So tagging task is very useful when you build Ansible playbooks and when you have issues in them, or you only want to execute one task from the playbook and everything else will be ignored. So this is possible via tags, as I told you. It's a very simple thing to do. So you just have to add a new entry under each task that you want to execute separately. So for example, if this task, when I execute the entire playbook, and maybe you have hundreds of tasks and one of the tasks fails, there is no need to rerun the entire playbook to see what caused the issue, or maybe you do a change to the task and you want to see if now it works. The simplest way and the most efficient way is just to tag it and then execute the playbook with the tag parameter mentioned, and it will execute only that specific tag, only that specific task, and it will not go to the next task. It will just execute that. So let's see it in action. So this is a playbook for applying updates to Accent Server 8 pool, but that is not important. We are just testing the tags, and we can do that with the normal command. So Ansible playbook, we mentioned the playbook name, it's one, in my case one install, and then we just write here tags, and we just write the name of the tag. So in my case, I just want to demonstrate the sleep tag. So let's see, let's sleep test. Okay, it's asking us the normal steps. So the playbook has a variable that you need to write during the execution. So it needs to know the pool master where you work, and then it needs the update file, but we can take that from here. Rename. For this, in this case, you don't even need to type the this part, but you should in your playbooks you should know what the playbook does, and then play with this So I need the pool master and the offline bundle mentioned, and then we go and hit enter, and it jumps directly to this task, sleep for 6 minutes, and we will not wait for 6 minutes. I will just press Ctrl C and then C to continue, and you will see that it does not do anything else. It after the task that you mentioned is completed, it just finishes the playbook. So this will execute only the mentioned task, and you can mention the task by adding a tag to it. Or for example, you can of course go to this other tag, and this will this will reboot my hosts, but only the slaves, not the pool master. So I have them already in maintenance, because if they are not in maintenance, you will get an error. Let's actually do that. Let's generate an error. So let's exit maintenance, and we want to reboot the slaves. Now we mentioned the other tag, reboot slaves. Okay, same steps. Our pool master and the offline bundle, and now we should get an error. Yep. So because the hosts are not in maintenance mode, we get the information that this action, so the reboot, cannot be performed because the hosts need to be in maintenance mode. So this is a very good example. So for example, if all the entire playbook had no issues and you have an error on one task, for example, you need to change something or need to verify something and you want to execute that task one more time after you changed it, then this is how you do it with tags. In our case, we just set the maintenance back on, not like this, and we will be able to execute this task, and we will just do that right now. So reboot slaves one more time, pool master 05, and then bundle name, and it will go directly to that task. Of course, it just sends the commands, it doesn't wait for anything, but we will shortly see that the reboot command was successful. Like, the servers are restarting because that only task that we had an issue has now been solved, and this is a very good way to troubleshoot playbooks and to only repeat a specific step until a specific task, sorry, until you fix it. Okay, this was it for this video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you.